Let's work on defining linear equations. A general definition of a linear equation is ax plus b equals 0, where a and b are real numbers. This is also called a first degree equation. The left side of the polynomial in an x of degree 1. It's relatively easy to solve a linear equation. The idea is to isolate the variable. So using ax plus b equals 0, we would then subtract b from both sides. Anytime you perform one operation on this side of the equal sign, you must perform the same operation on the other side of the equal sign. So b minus b is 0, so this simply crosses out. 0 minus b gives us a negative b. Okay, once we subtract b from both sides, this is our answer, but we're not done because we're trying to isolate the variable x. So then we divide by a on both sides. A divided by a is 1, but we don't write 1 in front of the variable, so that crosses out, and we bring down x equals a negative b over a. We might be able to reduce at this point. Let's solve a few equations. Three x minus 5 equals 4. First, we would use our inverse operation. Inverse of a negative 5 is a positive 5, so we add 5 to both sides of the equal sign. Draw our equals line. Negative 5 plus 5 gives us 0. That crosses out. 4 plus 5 is 9. We bring down our 3x. We still use our inverse operation. So 3x equals 9. We're going to divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so this crosses out. We bring down x, bring down our equal sign. 9 divided by 3 equals 3, and there's our answer. X equals 3. Let's solve an equation by factoring. X squared equals 4x. So here we would have x squared equals 4x, and we need to set this equal to 0. So when we set this equal to 0, we would move 4x to the opposite side and place 0 in its place. So the only way to do that is the inverse operation, which is inverse of a positive 4 is a negative 4. Draw our equal sign, bring down our equal sign. Now we bring our 0, and then we have x squared minus 4x. Okay, at this point we can factor. So we're going to bring out 4 as our answer by bringing out our common factor of x. X here goes into x squared once, and then we leave an x. X goes into negative 4x once, and so that leaves us with the negative 4. And this is set equal to 0. Now we have the 0 property. X equals 0. And then we have x minus 4 equals 0. Okay. So then we solve this. We simply flip the term, and that gives us a solution set. Our solution set will be 0 and 4. Either one of these answers will check to make this a true solution.